What's up, guys? Here's Eddie Latin Style X3 with another tutorial how to prevent the skipped frames or the dropped frames. So first of all, open the settings in Streamlabs OBS and going to output. You can choose on the output mode the advanced settings. It's better to see all stuff of kind. So if you're using the encoder software X246 64, oh no, uh, so you using the hardware and then from Nvidia's new stuff, or if you're using the stuff from AMD, you have to choose this one. Then the next step is the bitrate upcoming from your upload. So now we come to the important stuff. The profile is staying on high because the high one here in Streamlabs is the best example for low. If you go to low, then it is high. So you choose on that profile high. The next step is the video. You can use different resolutions for prevented also, but this, in my opinion, isn't not really the baddest part on that. So on the advanced, we got here too stuff. If you using wait, if you're using the high price process priority, it's the same way like in the outputs. So I need to check something too. Give me a sec. So this is done. Only here on the general you can choose it. So wait. Nope. Um yeah, that was actually all I found for prevent my stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. After you're done, by the way, you click done and then you need to test it. So this was in case the tutorial of the drop frame scripts, and I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.